One, two, three, let's switch this up.
This is so stressful.
Another one.
It's so freaking white. Hey guys, it's Mitch and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I would do an ABG, Asian baby girl transformation with my dog. Her name is Tiffany. And she will help me pick my makeup for this video. And also a huge thank you to my Brit, Kim, and also to my boyfriend for suggesting this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what is an ABG? So Tiffany, what is an ABG? ABG stands for Asian baby girls. So they usually go to parties, they rave, they have tattoos, they have thick makeup, they have long hair, colored hair, dyed hair, they have hoop earrings, and they love boba. So first, I want to start out with contact lenses. So this is actually a prescription lenses. This is from Fresh Look. I forgot the color, maybe hazel brown or brown. So I will be putting it. Actually, this won't be hard for me because I usually wear contact lens whenever I go out. So yeah, can you see the difference? So this is with contacts and this is without contacts. So now I'm going to put the left contact lens. So there you go. It's really easy for me. Go! Kung ano ata yung nandito yung pinipiling. Hi, thank you! So I will fill in my brows. Actually, I don't do a lot with my eyebrows because usually I don't put any products with my eyebrows because it's already thick, but sometimes I have to fill in the parts that I don't have hair. So I have a mirror here, so I'll be looking here. Oh my goodness, parang hindi siya nag-work. So there. Okay, now I realized that I bought the wrong shade.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Like, pwede na. Have no choice. Ito pinili ni Tiffany eh. Go, Tiffany! Go! Go! Hala! Ay, okay. Ito. Inamoy niya. So next, I will be concealing my eyelids for eyeshadow prep for the base of the eyeshadows. So this is L'Oreal Total Cover. Okay, I never use this. This is from my mom's. Ano kaya yung malapit sa skin ko? There you go. This eyeshadow. So let's see. Ito yung lustrous and ito yung one shade lang. So let's see. Anong nga yung namoy? Ito, diba?
Nakita ko yung isa.
Ito?
Eh, ulitin mo.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ito. Okay, thank you! For the eyeshadow palette, Lustrous. So, by Nadine Lustre. And this is, I think, oh yeah, Calypso. All of these are shimmer. So I'm just using my fingers. So I'll try to put darker shades. I'm using my fingers, so it would be easier for me to control it as more. So next for the eyeliner, dalawang Maybelline. So let's see, yung isa medyo dry na, ito yung bago. So let's see. Go, Tiffany! Tiffany, magaling ka dito dati. Okay, Tiffany. For mascara naman. Choose. Go. Go. Tiffany. Ayan. Ano na? Go, go, go. Tiffany, go. Ito. Yung bagay pinili. For the eyeliner, this one, Maybelline. Hyper easy, so yeah.
Hold the fire underwater, watch the flames go out. Felt like thunder.
I'm not sure if pantay siya, but yeah. Wait. I think medj pantay. I'll just adjust this later because I wanna go with the primer and the foundation because eyes pa lang yung magagawa natin. Oh my goodness, hindi ko napapili si Tiffany sa primer. So this is Becca and Baby Skin. I'll just use this Becca. I'm just putting it all over because I have a dry skin, so
Right outside my bedroom window, so low.
so I will be curling my lashes.
Every corner.
Tiffany, go! Tiffany, go! Tiffany, go! Nilapit na eh. Ito yung inuna yung inamoy. Pero ang daya. Ulit-ulit. Tiffany, go! Tiffany! Go! Ito talaga. Kinakabahan ako kasi parang never pa ako nag-put nito sa sarili ko. So, this would be my first time putting this. So, hopefully, malagay ko ng tama. But first, I will be putting mascara. Kasi ako talaga mascara lang. Iko-curl ko lang yung lashes ko. And then, I'll put mascara. That's my go-to. So, I bought this online. I bought this sa Noon. Kasi kailangan glam. So, I think glam to, right? So, yung instructions niya kasi Chinese. So, paano ba to? So, meron akong eyelash adhesive. This is from Made in Korea. Wait, let me see. Oh, parang kasha naman ata sa mata ko.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh, parang bongga niya. What is this? Bakit ganito? Tignan nyo. Ganyan ba talaga? Oh, so in-spread ko lang. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, ah. Okay, parang ang dami ata. Hopefully, magawa ko ng tama. Kinakabahan ako, oh my gosh.
No, 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 no.
Dude. This looks heavy. It's not sticking. Walang ata yung glue. Ang hirap kasi. Parang peacock. Oh my gosh. Dude, I give up. This is so stressful.
Another one. Another one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Parang hindi siya pantay. This is freaking hard.
Another one.
I ruined it.
Another one.
Parang nakahinga yung mata ko. I think this is not for me. Uy, parang nag-stick na siya. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that mess. So yeah, I'm just going to clean this up with micellar water.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Anyways, let's move on. Go, Tiffany! Go! Ate Honey, go! Okay, ito pa rin. Ito pa din yung pinili niya. Okay, so this foundation, this is my mom's foundation. She is much whiter than me. I'm gonna be putting all over. So I'm using the L'Oreal foundation. Oh my gosh, this is so white. Oh no! Oh my goodness, this is so white. You know what? I can blend this. ABG ba to o drag? Drag race. Char lang. Hindi ko talaga ka-shade. It's so freaking white. Okay, nagsisa na ako. Sana yung foundation ko na lang. Because my mom's really white. Just need to blend it. By the way, this is in the shade 301. Okay, so next. Ito? Ito pa din? Oh my gosh. The contour here is super light din. Ganda sanang i-full of bronzer. Never pa nung nagamit. I'll start here na lang. This is for sculpting and putting colors and dimension to my face since sobrang puti nito. I think I need my other brush. So guys, Tiffany's here. So she wants to join us. Okay, you can be here. Just stay there. I'm just going to blend it. Of course, I'm going to put contour on my nose as well. Anyways, hindi naman ako nakapili ng concealer. So, I won't put concealer anymore since I'm so white. Ito, okay, let's go! Ay, ito. Thanks! For the highlight, this one. This is What's Up from Benefit. So, I'll be putting here sa nose part. And here, inner corners of my eyes. And Cupid's bow, and then here under my brows. For the blush, Sunny's Face and Caroline na basag-basag na. So let's see. Oh my gosh, yung Caroline na basag-basag. Akalat nito. I should be really careful with this. Kasi sira na siya. Nabaksa ko kasi siya, so I should be really, really careful with this because this is really pigmented. So I like to put also to the bridge of my nose. Pero here, kita naman. So for the lipstick, pinair ko siya with gloss.
I-spread out mo kayo.
Ang tamad ko kung malapit lang. Okay, thank you. This is the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So this is Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So we'll just let this dry. Ang bango kasi nito, may coffee. Kaya gusto niya tuloy ilik. Smells good. Smells so good. Sorry. Hindi pa siya tuyo. I like to top it off with glosses. Fenty Beauty in the shade Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. There you go. So we're done with the makeup. So next will be tattoos. So guys, for the tattoos, I bought it online, so my sister will help me to put this tattoo. This is actually a lot, so she will be helping me to choose what tattoo will be the best to put. I don't know, here or here. So guys, naka-choose na ako. Naka-choose na kami kung anong tattoo ilalagay ko. So I'll put it here. So my sister will help me. Okay. Like this. Okay, ganyan na nga. Oh my God! Alam ko dapat mas damp yung water. Ay, water yung sa float. So, let's stay and count. Bayang. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. Okay. Damp o. Damp. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow! Okay, let's put it. Oh my gosh! Sakop niya buong arms ko. Dapat mabasa lahat ng sa papel. So, ganun ulit gagawin ko. I think nabasa ko na ata lahat. Pati damit ko nababasa. Okay. So, sana hindi fail. Parang sa pati sa kilikili ko meron. Ikaw, kung saan mo hindi masyado na basa. Dito sa part na to, hindi ko makita eh. Basa ba? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my God! Mukha akong gangster. Yeah. Mapagalitan ako ni Mami.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I.
So that is it for this video. I feel like I can do this on a regular basis. Hindi naman ako pwede maglagay ng tattoo. So, and I think my mom will get mad at me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you have any suggestions, just comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it, you guys. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah.